What is the scope of artificial intelligence in 2023? It is difficult to accurately predict the exact scope of artificial intelligence, AI, in 2023, as it is a rapidly developing field with numerous applications. However, it is likely that AI will continue to be widely used in a variety of fields, such as healthcare, finance, education, transportation, and more. In particular, it is expected that there will be significant progress in the development of natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning, ML, technologies, which will allow for the creation of more advanced and sophisticated AI systems. It is also possible that there will be increased use of AI in fields such as robotics, automation, and cybersecurity. Ultimately, the scope of AI in 2023 will depend on the rate of technological advancement and the willingness of individuals and organizations to adopt and integrate AI into their work and daily lives. Certainly. Here are a few additional areas where AI is expected to play a significant role in 2023. Predictive analytics. AI-powered predictive analytics systems will be used to analyze data from various sources and make predictions about future outcomes in a range of industries, such as marketing, finance, and healthcare. Personalization. AI will be used to provide personalized experiences for users, such as customized product recommendations, personalized content recommendations, and personalized advertising. Education. AI will be increasingly used to assist in the delivery of education, such as through the use of adaptive learning platforms and virtual tutors. Customer service. AI chatbots and virtual assistants will continue to be used to provide customer support and handle routine tasks, allowing human customer service representatives to focus on more complex and nuanced issues. Transportation. AI will be used to improve the efficiency and safety of transportation systems, such as through the development of autonomous vehicles and intelligent traffic management systems. Manufacturing. AI will be used to optimize and automate various aspects of manufacturing, including supply chain management, production planning, and quality control. Overall, it is likely that AI will continue to be integrated into a wide range of industries and applications in 2023, bringing numerous benefits in terms of efficiency, accuracy, and productivity. If you are new in this channel, then subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos.